Everything's coming up baking. I love to bake and cook for my family. Yeah. Family, what y'all think about my cooking? Let everybody know.
My wife gets down in the kitchen. She really be handling her business. Cooking and baking for the family. Cooking and baking for the family. My wife be cooking and baking for the family.
Mama, this tastes so good. Mmm. My mama cooking and baking for the family. Cooking and baking for the family.
Oh, mama, this food is real good. This food smacking. It's fire. My mama cooking and baking for the family. My mama cooking and baking for the family. Oh, it's real good for the family.
Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. It is I, Miss Janita, back again, putting in work. Anyway, how y'all doing today? Hope all are doing well, getting what you need, and preparing, getting them survival items, prepping, preparing, preserving, and hopefully you got the funds or whatever to purchase stuff on sale. What the day is? Friday? The new sale started Wednesday. There's quite a few things on sale because of Memorial Day. So if you got the money, you got whatever credit, whatever you got, to get some of these deals they got going on. Some areas deals are better than others. But I just got a few things that I need to put in my pantry that I was out of, especially the taco sauce. I always gotta have some taco sauce. Love that flavor in the taco sauce. And this gonna be my first time trying this craft. Well, I got 3 jars of the Amazon taco sauce. They are 16-ounce jars. Hopefully they good. They are tasty because I never tried it before. It's mild. If I want hot, I put some hot sauce. So hopefully those are gonna be pretty good. Y'all heard any news about the goings on? We're still running out of gas, jet fuel, all the changes to services and stuff. Talking about a lot of chatter about in June prices supposed to get even higher on certain items. Okay, cut off back again. But yeah, that chattering about what's gonna happen in June, y'all believe that? All this stuff going on now. Time and purpose will tell. That's all I can say for now. No panic, just do what you gotta do. Do your best. And that's about it. Do your best. Use your will wisely. So yeah, they all this stuff on these social media channels talking about, yeah, price is going to be even more pricier in June. Well, didn't they say it was going to be pricier in May? Which, yeah, stuff is pricier. That cereal got me. That knocked me off my feet. $10 for a box of cereal. How y'all feeding these kids? I guess they gonna be eating some oatmeal is a good deal. Oatmeal, or if you go to the big box store, they probably got cereals, 2 boxes. I guess it's still $6, $7. I don't know, cause I don't eat those kind of cereals anymore. Especially not that Captain Crunch that'll cut your gums up so bad. Teeth or no teeth, Captain Crunch is dangerous in the mouth, allegedly. But yeah, most stuff I say on here is alleged because I wrote it in the description. Allegedly, this, that, and the other is happening. You got to do your research. You have to fact check. You have to go about and see if something is being said is true or not. But we all know grocery prices are more than ever. So that's a fact. So yeah, I was saying this is my first time gonna be trying this Kraft natural cheese. Talking about deliciously paired with cheddar and is it Sedero? However, for tacos, shredded. Good for me. Guess I'll be tasting that today. It say yes to taste you love. They say it got some taco. They say it got some taco seasoning on it. I didn't know that. I didn't read all that. Well, hopefully it don't got ingredients that'll make my head hurt, like cinnamon. I can do nutmeg, but I can't do cinnamon. Also picked up a few more bags of the Louisiana. I got my sage in the cut, my timer, rooster, my bumblebee sitting over there, and what's up there? So, cause I'm showing y'all this side of the stuff. It's in the picture, so why not? Then I got 2 cans of this expensive organic sweet potato puree, BPA free liner. So I got that to put in the pantry when I don't get any fresh vegetables or whatever. And I got me some Hershey's cocoa, 100% caca, natural unsweetened. Got that. And I finally got me some more toasted coconut Khalifa Farms milk. Love that stuff. It's expensive, but that's the milk that I use. Hold up, y'all. That's the only milk that don't bother me. And coconut, my body does well with coconut. I can't do a lot of other stuff. Coconut, it don't, I can digest it. I guess I can say it that way. It's easily digested in my system. A lot of the other stuff give me problems. That's why I gotta eat small proportions, doses of the stuff, can't have it every day, all day. Gonna give me an allergic reaction. I'm sure a lot of people have food allergies, food intolerance, all that kind of stuff. You can't have this and that. Especially a lot of people can't eat peanuts, butter, and all that stuff, fish. Well, I'm glad I can still eat fish, and I eat peanut butter, but I can't eat peanut butter, indulge in it, because I'll break out. I can eat it, but I can't have it every day because I'll break out. So yes, I have food intolerance for peanut butter, but I can eat it without. I don't get the swelling throat. I don't get the severity allergic reaction. So that's how my body is working out. A lot of stuff can't be digested. It's the enzymes. Y'all do your research. Enzymes. You don't have the enzymes to digest certain foods, so you can't eat it. All right, then I got a few bags of the all-purpose flour. Sure did. And got that. I don't know what I did with my sugar. Did I put my sugar up already? I'm trying to think. Yeah, I got a few things of sugar. And I had my baking powder, I had my cornstarch. I already got baking soda. Oh, excuse me. So I can cook from scratch. I shared a video the other day with y'all about using canned goods, some good old canned goods, to help me make some homemade meals. Love my little canned goods. Some people don't like them. Some people would like to get their stuff in glass jars. That's good. But I can get what I got to get what I can afford, and that's canned goods. And if they're a reasonable, affordable price for my purse, I ain't said your purse. I said my purse. Some of y'all purse, we ain't all got to see. We don't have the same purse. Everybody don't have the same income, budget, and so forth. Now I get these little canned goods when I see if they on sale. I get 2, 3. Like I say, eventually gonna turn into a case. And I did get a couple of bottles of apple cider vinegar. Yeah, things to use to cook with and do whatever else. Yep, so these things gonna go in the pantry with the rest of the stuff. Well, at least the sauce and the apple cider, the cocoa, the cans. You know, the cheese and the milk about to go in the refrigerator. Today, I don't know, I might have me a beef burrito, something like that. And maybe some potatoes, I don't know, something. We'll see. I'm hungry right now, but shoot, I just want to eat once a day. I'm just saying too much. TMI, TMI. Now, if y'all know something else going on in the streets, in your area and more, share it if you want to. And that's about it. I don't got nothing else to say. It's plenty to say, but I'm just keeping it, not putting no panic in the street. Because some of these content creators, they sharing stuff that they saying they don't want to panic nobody, stuff going on. But I'm not sharing that. Y'all got to do your own checking and researching and strolling and trying to figure out what the heck, because it's all over the place. So I guess it won't be too long before you see what's happening. And as usual, when stuff go wrong, when it rain, it pours. So hey, we all got to deal with with our goings ons and what's happening. And it's a test. It does show is a test to have your testimony. Cause shoot, got to be strong. That's all I can say. Talking about myself. So hey, I deal with what I'm dealing with, and be happy in the process anyway. Cause yesterday I put my garden video up. I put my crafting video with the puzzle. Was Thursday. Today Friday, and I'm just doing this little, putting in some work for my grocery channel. Hope y'all enjoy it. Thanks so much for watching. What did you guys get from the store? Did you find any deals? If so, holla. Bye. Okay, as I reorganize, rotate, and so forth with these pantry chores, I see I had 2 boxes of Bush's baked beans. So I'll be using some of those come Memorial Day. My husband barbecued a rib and chicken, so I'll use some of those. Put that good ground beef in there, because that is so good. Who knew? Who knew? I was missing out for a long time. But yeah, discover I got 2 cases of Bush's baked beans. Oh, and then I forgot I had this case of Campbell's pork and beans too. I'm gonna use some of that too. And I got tuna. Who's that? Chicken of the sea, and I do got the other one. And I had roast beef, canned beef, canned chicken. I see I got whole potatoes, diced potatoes, and I see I found a few cans of the Great Value Southwest corn. I like that corn because it got bell peppers and stuff in it. And the Amazon, I got them whole potatoes from the Amazon. The diced potatoes is Great Value. I don't know, I must have got them Bush baked beans from Sam's Club. So I was down there. Oh, let me see. What is this? I got a case of. Ooh, what the date is on here? That's why it's important to rotate and stuff. Oh, I see. I got a case of Contadina Petite diced tomatoes. Oh, so glad I just rotating this stuff. People, do it as often as you can. Rotate. Make sure you're using the stuff that's, if you don't like past dates. Now the Best Buy, I think that's different. But don't take my word for nothing. Do your own research. Get your own advice. Take your own advice. So that's what we're doing. Doing these shelves, getting this stuff situated. Okay, let me get out here and get back to work. All right. Everything's coming up baking. I love to bake and cook for my family. Yeah.